Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I will talk about how can I change my Nokia Fiber Wi-Fi password.
Configuration. Make sure your mobile phone or your computer is connected to the internet. You will need to be connected to the internet in order to access the router page by Wi-Fi or by Ethernet cable from your modem to your PC or laptop. Open a browser to access the router page. You can use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari from your iPhone.
1. Connect a device to your modem router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. 2. Open your web browser and type the default IP address in the address bar, 192.168.1.254. 3. You should now see the router login page with 2 text fields where you can type router's username and password. Four. The default username and password for your modem are written on the back of machine. Five. Hit login, and now you should see control panel of modem. 6. When you log in, locate and expand network at the left side of the page, then click wireless. Seven. In the SSID name box, type Wi-Fi name, and make sure WPA version is WPA, WPA2 and WPA. 8. In the WPA key, enter Wi-Fi password, and safest passwords are long and contain at least 8 digits. 9. Once your changes are completed, click Save.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.